Yeah, I know, yeah. Right, welcome back. We're just going to start a video off. Welcome back, everybody. It's Monday afternoon. I'm back. The yard's running smooth. Jarrett, does it feel better that I'm back? Truthfully. Look at the load now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. When John said he's running the yard, did you see him down here once?
Only when he shouted at me.
Oh, you shouted at Jarrett? Why?
Oh my God, yeah. I didn't shout at him, Jay. I didn't shout.
Yeah, you did.
You were ringing there.
Oh.
And I texted him, I said, ring the office. I thought it was a customer. And then he said, oh, they're not answering the phone in the office. And I said, ring after 12. I can't remember what I said now.
I told you after one.
Oh! Yes, well, that's the real John, guys. You see, that's what he deals like with customers. Oh, Jarrett actually texted me and said, "Is John all right?" Didn't you? So we're going to do a quick exchange now. Whilst I was away, Nathan's been loading the bins. You are? Does he what? No, don't tell him that. So Nathan's been loading the bins, and I've got to say, he's beat my record. He beat my record on the weight, didn't he? He didn't get the highest. He got the lowest ever recorded weight. What did he get?
3.1.
3.1. Now, when you're getting 3.1 in them bins,
I weigh more than that.
yeah, you're actually losing money. So Nathan's cost us money, hasn't he? Oh, look, John, look, there's Nathan, John. Get him on now. Right, I'm going to quickly make a brew. Do you want a brew? Right, you've got it on camera. I've offered him a brew. Right, we're not making him on here. Right, I'll go. What about your cup? Yeah, I need your cup though. We don't offer cups down here. You know that. Oh, John, should we rob it? Oh, he keeps the brew rings in the bottom. Right, what do you want? T1. Well, there's posh in here. Right, I'm going to quickly make Jarrett a brew. Right, this is video evidence, yeah? That I've just made Jarrett a brew. Was it nice or not?
It was a lovely brew. It tasted of coffee like, say it with Yorkshire tea.
No, it wasn't. Oh, it was Yorkshire. Spoiled you again. So I don't know why I'm being so nice with Jarrett recently. I think, well, I do know why. Because there's going to be some bad loads coming your way. No, but we're going to try and get all the scrap gone as soon as possible. And they don't know what the new machine is either. They're all guessing. Oh, are they? You know what it is, don't you?
I know what it is,
you could actually ruin this for everyone. But you're not going to.
Right.
They're all saying baler, scrap handlers, granulators. What else? Gee, mainly balers. Oh no, crushers. Someone said a crusher. So you'll soon find out. Jarrett does know. Right, I'm going. It's Tuesday morning, boys. Welcome back. Oh, I did a deed and leak then. So I'm going to be jumping on this machine in a second. I had a good half a day yesterday getting on top of all the cars, because when I was away for that week, they wasn't ripping engines out here. Just so it made it a bit easier for them, but it made a backlog for me. Got Chris here. He's been picking up cars. Got a nice little juicy little Saab right there. The yard is looking pretty organised now, running smooth. We've got an alloy wheel bin ready to go today for an exchange. We're just doing 8-yarders, and we're probably getting about 2 ton in each one. So it's not a bad little number. It just saves us building up a massive amount, filling a 50-yarder like this with alloys. So yeah, it is a bit of a mess down here, but it's organised chaos. Now I have been stacking these cars on the wall, if you can see. Now don't underestimate the height of that. That is actually quite high. I have stacked them like Jenga, so they're pretty safe. But obviously you don't want to be messing about down here. There's a few more cars here what I need to rip engines out of. I should be on top of today, and then we can start attacking this corner down here. All these engines what I've ripped out need cats taking off. So there's a lot going on. Busy. Eventually I would like to tidy this area here and pull this racking down this week, hopefully, but don't quote me on it because we are very busy.
Look who it is.
Why is it on a slant?
I don't
Are you
know.
testing the new mic?
No, it's put this mic on so we can do it quicker, because we're struggling to get the footage because we're having to set the mics up and it becomes a bit of a pain, doesn't it?
Just been scrapping more cars.
Yeah.
I've been on the machine again. Managed to actually pretty much do all the engines.
Let's just show that pile there.
Yeah, but that's not the meaty pile.
That's not the meaty pile.
The meaty 2000's over here.
The meat eater 2000.
Don't look down here.
Don't look down here.
So there's everything's pretty much done. I just need to have a good clean up.
Yeah, but we've got the pile of engines there. What's all this stuff here? They've got cats on.
Cats off, yeah.
So basically, this pile here. Oh, it's I just need to zoom out. This pile here is the engines ripped straight out of the cars. So they're ready for
Why did I
taking.
punch an alternator off?
Only if it were that easy. But these are right. These are ready for taking the alternators off, the cats off, the starter motors,
And then weighing in.
and then weighing
We
in.
want to be aiming for a 15 tonne of steel engines with gearboxes and a 15 tonne of alloy engines
Yeah.
with gearboxes.
Quick clue for everyone: the new machine will make it quicker to get through these engines.
Whoa, be careful what you say.
No, it could mean anything. That could mean anything. That, James. That could mean
The
anything.
new machine is going to be positioned here. That's your clue.
Get it in the comments now. What
Here.
machine do you think we're getting?
So you've got to think why it's going to be here, and it's. We can't say the weights, can we? Are you zoomed in again? Wah!
Right.
Also, if you all saw my left hook, absolute peach of a shot on the sausage roll. That was
wow.
that was a beauty.
It was a beauty.
So get it in the
Was it a
comments if
left
you-
hook or a right hook?
Oh no, it was a right hook. Sorry.
It was a right.
hook, yeah.
So, guys,
Right on the button.
it was on the button.
That's what I'd actually. That punch on the sausage roll. I'd love to do that to John Frey.
James,
joking, John. I'm
don't be
giving
like
it
that to him. So, yeah, James is good. Are you jumping back on the machine now?
No.
No. So, we're going to get through these cars now. Oh, we're getting through the cars now.
No, I think we're going to do an exchange in the garage now.
We're going to do an exchange in the garage. Nathan's been doing well in the yard recently because he's been promoted to yard, not manager, but yard man, hasn't he? He's like
You had
moving
to
the
keep
cars.
the manager off in this.
Yeah, it is slightly managing the operations, taking a lot of pressure off me and James as that. We're having to jump on the stacker all the time, but yeah, he's doing well, so we'll give it him. Hope Nathan's all right. So, that's it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Done.
What else?
That's it.
We've not showed any work.
We're going to show him.
That's exactly what I did before.
Yeah.
Walked around saying what we're doing.
Good.
Welcome back, everybody. And I don't care what John and James in the office say, I'm going to get some footage of me on the machine. They keep on saying that, oh, people don't want to watch it. Well, I know you do. So I'm going to sneak down there and I'm going to get you some footage. Yes, me little Harold Oonies. Yeah. Oh no, yeah, just chuck it there, yeah, it's right. So I've managed to sneak on the machine now and I'm doing this now and getting a montage for you. Well, it might not be a montage, maybe more of a time lapse. If you look here, we're all high tech down here, so I've actually got this stand here. This is what I've done for you lot. Sellotaped it on here. Permanent fixture now. This is now part of the machine. So that'll stay there forever. I'll quickly show you what's going on. We've got a bit of scrap here. All that's ready to go. Processed. I've got 4 more cars to do, which you're going to see me do now. I've got all the scrap piled on the hill. We've got a pile of engines with cats needing removing. We've got engines getting cats removed and wire, if it zooms in, focuses, coming off the dashboards. So yeah. Whoa, Mickey J! So we're going to crack on now, boys. Enjoy. So, I've got this C1 here now, I've put it in place the way I like it. So, what I'm going to do is squash it, flatten the roof, and then take the wire out from behind the dash. if everyone's seen, we've got a dartboard here. And we've actually put a picture of Dad on it. But we didn't want to pay for the coloured ink. So let's see if I can get, not a bullseye, a dam's eye. Right, we're ready.
Yeah.
Do you reckon you can get that torch in my eyes or not?
I'm trying to get a good
Are we ready?
view of it.
Bullseye.
Yeah, go on. Not bad. Let me have a do. Oh, you got Dan though. You got Dan.
Oh, that hurt, that wasn't it?
Sorry, Dan.
So yeah, it's gonna exchange the ramps now. This is what me and James do, like whilst everyone's working. But he's gonna exchange the ramps now.
Right, you're going for it. Get that on the film. Why was he doing it?
Go, Stuart, no!
Hold the door.
Losing the plot down there.
I'll tell you what, this is what happens, boys. When I'm not down there, making it run smooth, everyone loses the plot.
You do.
So yeah, I'm just going to get on top of some...
Should we see what Dan's doing?
Why do I always turn into like this, what's it called when the presenter, or I turn into a presenter when I'm on the camera. So yeah, I'm just going to get through a few more emails now. What are you zooming in on?
I'm not.
Zoom in on that.
Look, it's spot today. Oh, so he knows we zoomed in.
He does.
Let's see how long it takes him to look. Just think he is working right now.
He looked then, he looked. Go on, let's get down.
Let's get that on. Come on, let's get that on.
We're actually...
Let's give the voice down.
We're testing the new mic.
We're giving everyone what they want.
No, no one wants it here.
Oh my God. James, did James explain with the video when Dan was on the video dipped in views? It's the people were clicking off the video.
No. So really, Dan's got what he wanted because we can't put Dan in. Also,
so the airtime of Dan has to go down.
Look at this, what we found in the car. A little drum. Whoa. Right. What are we doing then?
That's
it.
it.
To the mic.
Yeah, we're just testing it. Testing the mic.
I hope you're all alright. I'm not going to do what John does. It's my second day back since being on holiday, and really I'm just apologising for the... Right, everybody, I have I've quickly done all the cars now. I've saved you one Peugeot 207, which I'm going to process from down here so you can see it from a different point of view. If you actually look from here, you can see the scale of the sheer size of this wall. I mean, it is big. I mean, look at the pile of scrap on top. It's huge. So I'm going to... God, it does look big from down here. That's a big pile of engines. Jesus. You don't actually realise how big this area is when you're on the machine, but it is actually a big area. So anyway, the rest of the blabbering it on, and I'm going to get this set up for you guys. Let's hope I don't slip. Right, boys. This area is actually massive, you don't realise. So anyway, I'm going to quickly process this Peugeot now. I've got 3 minutes before break. Let's see if I can do it in 3 minutes. When the car gets here, I want you to set a timer. We'll see how quick I can do this one. don't know how quick that was, but if you noticed, the gearbox actually split off the engine, so that took me a little bit longer, and I did get some wire from under the bonnet, but it was pretty quick, but I didn't get the axles off, which we need to sort out this process for getting the axles off. That is on the to-do list, but that's it now. I've processed all the cars from the week when I was on holiday, because when I was on holiday they were obviously depolluting and scrapping, but they wasn't ripping the engines out, they were leaving that to me. So I've done a week's worth of cars in 2 days, so it's not bad going really. But now I can just get on top of this area, get all the engines done. I want all the engines weighed in this week. So yeah. Right everybody, I've just heard the reversing sirens of autosave. So I'm guessing he's here. Oh, he is there. He's here for the alloys. So I'll show you that now. Dropping off an 8-yarder. Right, we're going to guess the weight on this. Oh, there's a crash bar in there. There's an alley crash bar in there. I'd take that out, that. Sorry, Paul.
No.
I'm cameraman, aren't I? You don't even need to get your hands dirty now, do you? we're too nice to autosave, we are, aren't we?
I told you that big bin again.
Oh yeah, you did, yeah. Who's bent bin? Right, get it in the comments, everybody. How much is in this bin? I'm going 2 ton. What do you reckon, Nathan?
I'm gonna wait for him to pick it first.
What, have you got blood built-in scales? Yeah, just chuck that one back in with the forklift then. Right, in the comments now on this bin, how much weight? 2 ton, I reckon. How much weight do you reckon? 2 ton? Could be 2 ton in there, aren't there? Hmm? 2 ton? Right, autosave's coming back today with the 50-yarder for exchange. Hopefully we'll do 2 of them and get some shells gone, and then yeah, keep on going. Right, we're going to see what these boys are doing in the office. And I've actually forgot to put the wireless mics on, you see, so this audio might not be that good, but we'll soon find out.
Hope everyone's alright. Yeah, but autosave's here. What do you do, Basil? Alright, sorry. Right, okay.
Right, boys.
No heavy, mate.
Right, he's doing the, we've done alloys this morning. This is the first 50-yarder of the day. Yeah, I will. Fancy that, Jarrett. Nathan whacking tranny on hill for you. None of that with me round here. Oh, your mate's here, Nathan, your best mate. No, you got to go up there. Oh, what's still going on here? Right. Ah, I can't be dealing with this. This guy is what we call...
The biggest messer.
No, he's upgraded from messer. Fruitcake. He's a fruitcake. What are you doing, you fruitcake? What are you bloody doing? Get up there. Messer.
It's drove up the yard. 59 altitude.
Yeah. What is this one from then? Is there another?
Yeah, I'm going straight back to it now.
Right. I tell you, in this yard, everyone comes down at the same time. Yep. It's like a tradition we have.
What? No, he's right there.
In the front, James. Look where he's parked.
Why did you go on the hill where I said?
I went and I left so somebody else comes.
Right. Like we're the ones in the wrong, James. Look at Nathan holding Jarrett up again. Come on. Oh, pressure's on Nathan now. Why are you shaking? What? Go on, you mate. Oh, he'll be shaking in there now, Nathan, you know. Pressure's on. Right, I'm just going to control the yard now. Look at that for organisation. Yeah. Oh look, Mess is going up the hill.
I tell you,
He is the biggest messer there ever is.
You'll tell him to move the van, he'll go out and park straight back when you tell him to not to park.
Tell you. I used to love coming to this.
Whoa, come on, Joe, we don't like that. What are you after now, tyres? We'll see if there's more than 3.1 ton in this one, yeah? John, should I risk punching it? What? Should I risk punching it? Oh no! Damn it, I was trying to punch it up. I was trying to punch it!
James.
What? No, it's not.
What do you mean?
Right. I'm actually fuming inside right now. I tried to punch my cinnamon bun and I missed. My own fault. Right, I'm going to get back on the machine. I'm going to get this other bin loaded now. Because autosave's coming straight back. You see that? I tried punching my cinnamon bun. I was trying to punch it and catch it and I missed it. Yeah, I know. I've slowed down, haven't I? I bet I've gained half a stone off the cruise. I bet I did, yeah. So it's like, my ankles hurt when I walk. Right. Are you coming straight back?
Coming straight back, so you'll have time to put shit in the road.
Do what? Oh, get it right, yeah. Well, hopefully Mess has gone by then, so. Right. Right, on eBay, 20 quid. To you, 50. Yeah, we're going to get these engines gone over here. Get rid of some scrap, because obviously the scrap is accumulating massively, which is a good thing in a way, because obviously you've got your stockpile, but I'd rather the stockpile in the bank rather than in the yard doing nothing, do you know what I mean? So let's get these engines gone.
Cash flow out there, John.
Bit of cash flow, do you know what I mean? This is like not good really, but let's get them engines gone now. We've just had the shells go, haven't we? And then hopefully over the next week they can take a lot of this, because there is a lot accumulating. A lot of engines have accumulated off stripping the cats and the alternators and the batteries off. Obviously you can't weigh them in with them, but yeah, let's go.
Should I record doing it or not?
Yeah.
Right, I was going to do engines, but where the stack of shells are, it's just a bit of a pain to lift the engines over it. So I'm going to do 2 more shells and then doing engines tomorrow. So I'm going to, might as well show you me loading shells. So I will just show you a bit of the scrap going really. So yeah, not too bad. Just going to quickly get a bit closer to the bin, because I'm loading these lengthways now, don't forget. Right, let's go boys. So first of all, I like to try and get a big heavy car at the bottom. So what better to get than this Isuzu Duper? There'll probably be a ton of half in that. Now, I don't actually have hydraulic rotation on this scrap. I need to just get the car pretty much straight before I get it to the bin. Now, as you can see, that's not straight as it is. So tap it on the side of the bin. Just drop it in.
No. That one. That's easy there. Now we could do with like a little car, so this little C1 here, the ideal. Just a bit far away. I'm gonna have to get that Peugeot first, I think. I'll put that Peugeot in next, so it doesn't matter. Right, Peugeot now. Squash it a bit more. Now the way I stack it, I like to put the front of the cars facing each other, where the chassis legs can just link into each other. Right, now a little car again. Can't bend that front end over. Like that. Nah, it should fit in now. Go. Now I'm just trying to bang it all down as much as I can. The more compact, the more weight we can get in the bin. Testing, check, 1, 2, 1, 2 on the mic. Right, me John Trey. I just first of all want to apologise because I had something far better in mind, but it's actually just come to the point where I'm that busy today. I've not been able to do what I wanted to do, but I will make up for it, no doubt. So I'll just explain to all the subscribers. This is John Trey's car. John Trey is currently #1 subscriber, so he is my right-hand man in the commando. So, and everyone's recruited by, well, we're all an army, aren't we? So John Trey is like commando, and then you've got like your, what's under commando, like your sergeants. That's like Intravenous and Gaz. So I'm going to quickly squash this for John Trey now. I was going to sellotape a face of John Trey in it, but I'm just too busy, so I'll quickly do that now. The next subscriber to scrap a car with us, I will track over it with the Komatsu.
Whilst they're here.
Yeah, yeah, maybe whilst they're here, and see how flat we can get it. How about that?
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that, boys. Right. There's been a lot of scrap and work in the yard videos today, so I hope you boys appreciate this. Autosave's just done another load, and I've just pulled these engines out here, ready for loading now. So I'm going to flick these into the skip. Now I haven't actually gone for all of them. I've just put a decent pile there, what I think will be around 14 to 15 tonne. As the wagon will be, well, the maximum weight it can carry is 15 tonne. Legally, that is. So I've left them over there, but I'm going to get it filled now. You're looking at just under 3/4 on the bin, and that should be maximum weight. So I'll start flicking them in now, and you can see what you think. Right, boys, what you love, more scrap. Just loaded the engine bin, and autosave's come. This is actually not Jarrett this time. They've got another wagon just to help shift our scrap, so that's good of them. It's not just for us, obviously, but it's going to help get all ours gone. So I'll show you what's in this bin now, and we can have a quick guess the weight.
Oh yeah, that's it.
So as you can see, it's not even 3/4. Get it in the comments now, because I think the camera's about to die. Yeah, but that's the new one.
That's a new one.
They've basically bought that for us.
Really?
Well, not for us, but I mean, they're obviously busy. Look at tyres on it.
Not a bad thing, is it?
Look at the tyres on that bad boy. They're good tyres then. This camera's about to die. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like the other one though, is it?
It's a bit old. Well, look at front wheel lifted there.
Exactly.
Some weight in that.
Oh, manifold. No, I'm a sensor.
Right, tight, anyway.
No, I believe it.
Whilst we've got you here.
Is it a fucking...
It is an
aftermarket?
aftermarket.
I'll take it back with me.
But I've kept it there.
Yeah.
I kept it there, but I give it him. I was going to get you a price and everything, and he said it's aftermarket.
No, he said it's a fiver.
He said it's a fiver, so I thought.
Right, no, they give
I said, you know what, I'm going to keep it.
So,
I'm not going to do it.
I'm going to explain the story.
We may as well keep it for a fiver.
Tight wanted to.
No, well,
Where you leave it anywhere,
do you know what I
and
mean?
you was hoping for 400 quid, wasn't you? Because it's an early Astra.
Yeah,
In
it's
fact-
a bit disappointing.
It
Yeah.
is disappointing.
So Type wanted me to sell this cat for him, and he basically had 400 quid in your mind. I said, oh, if it's
I was thinking about 200.
well, 300
Worse.
will work me too. So Type, Type being Type, he'd actually already spent the money. And you'd like booked an holiday in that.
Yeah.
And then I told him it was a fiver.
But a five is still a fucking fiver though, isn't it?
We was only getting a price for him.
Yeah. So that's the fiver. So what do you want to do? You might as well just.
I might as well smash it out and fucking put a pipe through it.
Well, yeah. Anyway, so it's.
Hope everyone's alright.
What day is it? Oh, it's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So it's Wednesday, end of the
3
day.
minutes past 5.
I just need to ask the question, Ty, yeah? How long have you been here?
I've lost you £700.
Have you parted with any spondoolies?
No. You never pass this spondylitis.
Never.
What are you doing? Oh, are you ready?
You've got a very important
No,
customer.
No, we don't.
You've got a really important
he
customer.
costs us money.
I'm going to stay out the way when you finish with this important customer.
Right, we'll be 2 minutes. Oh, yeah. Right, we're going to wrap up for the day, boys. Basically, that's it. So, Ty, do you want to just end it, please?
See you in a bit.
You ain't going nowhere.
I'm off.
Right, look who's back. Wait, Chris, come on, say I'm glad to be back.
I am glad to be
How
back.
was your holiday?
It was good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Oh, Nathan's just gone outside.
I could do with another one now though, with all cars that John's booked in for me.
So Chris has basically been to Butlins for a week. You really enjoyed it at Butlins, didn't you?
I loved it at Butlins. Yeah.
I tell you what, I don't know why I actually dog Butlins down. It's actually
Pontins,
alright.
that's one, yeah.
Oh, Pontins, you go Pontins, don't you? Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right, everybody, hello. You may be wondering why the videos come to an abrupt ending on a Wednesday. Well, for you guys, we're going to try a little bit of a new format, right? Because we have been recording all week for the past few months, and I've been giving it the lad who edits, and he's been basically saying there's too much footage.
You're still chatting?
I am still chatting, yeah. So he's been saying there's too much footage.
There is too much footage.
And he's not been throwing, well, he has been throwing it away, yeah. So I've been recording good content, and he's not been able to use it all. Yeah, he was saying we're getting too much footage, and not being able to use it all. And he used most of it one time, and it ended up being 1 hour and 40 minutes, which is probably just a little bit long. So we're going to try a new little approach. We're going to try and do a week's worth of footage, but 2 videos a week, boys. So that's 45 minutes each, maybe an hour if you look at it.
I think it must be at least half an hour.
I think half an hour to 45 minutes, twice a week.
Yeah.
Every Wednesday, every Sunday at 7 p.m. So get it in the comments what you think about that right now, if you want that. But if we're doing this, yeah, you've got to watch them, boys. I need you to watch them. So anyway, I'm gonna quickly rattle off a few shout-outs what I owe. Now, I've searched the comments for shout-outs, and we've got a Southwest Landscapes. He said, don't forget my shout-out. Oh, wait. Looks fun, guys. Enjoy. Don't forget my shout-out. A few videos ago for my partner at Devon Dax. Hey, pal, I'm just doing shout-outs, pal. You come and do a shout-out quickly. Hey! Oof, don't do that again. Right, no. You can give him a shout-out, yeah? He's been gagging for one.
What's the shout out about?
Just say his name, that's it.
I can't see that.
Let's go on, you can see that.
Let's go,
Graham
Graham.
Hunt.
Graham Hunt, big shout out to you.
There we go, Graham, my
Shout
mate.
out.
Hey, Graham Hunt. And I did have a good holiday, thank you very much. Anyway, so, I'm going to do some more shout-outs next video, I've just been busy. So get it in the comments what you think of this new format. We're going to do Wednesday, Sunday, 2 videos a week. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Next one's out soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and we do like the comments. Keep commenting, yeah? I read every single one. So yeah, enjoy.